Welcome back to Cane Creek Ranch. Today we're going to show you some older footage of how we enclosed the cattle barn. Man, it's hard to tell because I don't think the ground's level.
It's not.
I'd go up.
Just get level to the other
Right there.
Okay.
People are probably watching this right now and they're like, that's the worst construction I've ever seen.
Is it level? Yeah, right there. Didn't really think about it, but yeah, you're probably right.
They're watching this right now. They're just like, what the hell?
Minimalist built, recycled lumber pole barn, folks.
We're so broke right now that this is what we can afford.
Do you like that measurement?
I didn't see it.
I use my finger.
Is that my saw or your saw? Yeah, you do. It could be anyone's. It could be anybody's saw. Nobody really knows.
Come on. Well, right now it's snack break. But
You and your snacks. You a fatty. We got wall 1 done. We're getting metal tomorrow, so then we can actually close these in. This is all repurposed wood.
yeah, you'll see it later in other videos. Maybe you already seen, but there's a lot of wood in this barn, old cattle barn, that's not being used anymore because we're not cattle. At least we do not identify as cattle.
I'm a cattle.
So we're taking all that out, gonna repurpose it to get the whole building closed up. So this is just, doesn't take much, just a little bit of rough sawn lumber. It's not gonna be perfect. They patched this building together.
Oh yeah. When you see this stuff, it's like
The foundation's getting reworked.
there is no foundation.
Getting reworked next spring. She's good to go. That'll work. Let's turn them up. Let's run them diagonal on the back. Is that how you're supposed to do it? No. Is that how we're gonna do it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at that, baby. We're getting a wall.
You mean a gate?
Yeah, I guess it's a gate right now. You gotta keep them Ford Rangers inside somehow without them getting free on you.
They get a little aggressive.
They do get aggressive.
They destroy the back of your tailgate.
Here, just hand it to me.
And for the record, I did watch a video once on why you do the diagonal this way and not the other way. Big difference.
Because it cranked
It
before.
won't sag supposedly if you do it like this.
I assume they probably had one piece, but yeah.
They did. It was a much smaller gate too.
Everybody's just gonna watch our videos all the time. They're like, they just really half-ass everything.
No, it's called wing it. See, this board is too short to go over here, so we're winging it. Will you hold that right there?
Here's the thing, boys. We find excuses to do, not to not do. That's why shit gets done eventually.
bring this down. Right there. Not exactly a 45. Oh man, you gave me the most warped up board.
It was free.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I wonder when people watch this, like, they'll realize, like, maybe once we get money, we actually do know how to do some stuff.
We know the right way. But, you know, sometimes the wrong way is just easier.
And cheaper.
You don't necessarily need new lumber for a new project. You know, wood is wood. If it ain't rotten, which ours is, you're good. You're good.
I think you should try the door for the viewers.
Try the door?
Try the door. Try that door. Try that door. Try that door. He's even standing on it.
That's how confident I am.
Oh, oh boy.
It's already free.
Oh.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah, we're going to have to put a little gravel work.
Well, maybe. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Look at that.
It's going to be strong.
Wow. Well, I mean, you know. Oh, that's awesome, dude. You are twisting that thing pretty bad. Alright. Nah, why? You know?
Just so when we're putting metal on. Oh,
We'll cover it with metal.
well, we'll have to start left to right, and then we take all them out.
Yeah. And then we'll just put a block of wood on the backside and screw it from the back, I guess.
Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed. That went a lot better than I expected.
Yeah, same here.
I thought it was gonna sag once and be good.
Yeah.
Didn't sag at all.
Not at all. It's beautiful.
To the next door. See, we're doing 3 different things. Just blocking in a wall, building the gate, and now we're building the sliding door. We're so multi-talented.
You literally get everything here.
Call it good, Austin. Stop. That's it. Some WD-40 up there. Oh, that'll work.
What about chain loop? Would that be better?
I don't know. WD-40 probably work. Yeah, because those wheels aren't moving at all.
Boy, I hope you guys liked that video. Feel free to check me out cooking your favorite dishes on No Kitchen Cooking on YouTube.